Hello, my friends. In this video, I'm showing you how to create videos like this using AI with just one click, no editing needed. But how do we do this? Watch the full video to find out. Let's get started. Go to Google and type in motion.com, then click on the first search result. You'll see this interface, which is the main homepage of the site. It's amazing. To continue, click on Create Stories for free. Here you can sign up with your email or in several other ways. I'll sign up with my email. This is the site interface, and here are videos created through it. There are impressive videos designed with this tool, and if you click more videos will appear. Now, to proceed, click on Generate and then Generate from prompt. This interface will appear. Here you can add the text or topic for the story you want to create. Here you can choose the video dimensions, as several options are available. Next, you can choose the language for the story. Under Natural, you'll find multiple video options. There are also various character options suitable for different video types that you can choose from. Here, there are ready-made video ideas you can use to create a story. However, I'll go to ChatGPT and ask it to create any story I want. In this case, I'll request a story about a haunted house and send it. Then, I'll wait until it's done and copy the text. I'll return to the design interface and paste the text here. Next, I'll choose the video dimensions. I'll go with this one. For the video language, I'll select English and I'll keep natural as it is. Now, I'll choose the character or video style. I'll go with this character as it seems suitable. Here, there are other ready-made ideas that can be used to create a story. I'll proceed by clicking Generate, then wait a few seconds. Here, video ideas are available that you can edit and add any lines you like. To continue, click Next now. Choose the font. I'll select this one. Next, under Subtitle, I'll choose this option. For the thumbnail, I'll pick this option. Under Scene Transitions, I'll select this one. Now for the voiceovers, let's test a few.
The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing.
Hi there, if I'm not back in 5 minutes, just wait longer.
The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing.
I think this one is perfect for the story. For the music, I don't need any for this. I'll continue and click on Composite and wait. This site provides a summary of the story, as well as hashtags for the story. It also provides a script for the video and a prompt too. Now, let's wait for the video export to finish and watch part of the created story.
On the edge of a small, forgotten town, hidden deep within a forest of gnarled...
Looks fantastic. I'll download the video from here, the thumbnail from here, and the storyboard from here if needed. Now, let's see the result after downloading.
On the edge of a small, forgotten town, hidden deep within a forest of gnarled trees, stood an old house. It was a place no one dared to approach, much less enter. The locals called it the Hollow House, though no one really knew why. It had been abandoned for as long as anyone could remember, its windows dark and empty, like lifeless eyes watching anyone who dared wander too close. The Hollow House had a reputation, whispered through generations. Some said the walls inside were hollow and made eerie sounds in the dead of night. Others claimed it was cursed, that once you in...
The video turned out amazing. In the end, I hope you found this site helpful, and I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned for more videos in the coming days. Goodbye.